Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the Of-Course Insect Quest from Naniwa in Heartopia. So in this Call of Whales event, you can get the special quest from Naniwa, the Of-Course Insect, and then in here you just need to catch or to submit one event insect, the insect at the limited insect for this Call of Whales event. like in here the event insects are this insect, aquarius butterfly, and then white banded Erebus moth, green flowered chafer, and then blue milkweed beetle. This one you can just cut one of the insects on here, and then after that just go back to Naniwa to submit the insect. This one. And just like that, you will successfully complete the insect and you will get this inflatable insect attractor as a reward. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!